an amazing start in your 2026. During the holidays, I was experimenting with my mom. She is one of my oldest students. And so, whenever I see that there's something that not only she but other people are struggling with, then I take my time with her and we find an exercise where then she gets the correct sensation. And this was the case with échappé. I've been noticing that the tendency is to jump into the échappé. What we want to slide. Just as in Germany we say slide into the new year, we want to also slide into the échappé. So I came up with 2 exercises that were very, very helpful for her. Then I shared it with another student and it was also very effective. Now I'm sharing it with you. It's a short exercise in 2 parts. The first one, you are gonna slide into your 3/4 point. So you're gonna échappé from here in a fifth, you plie and then you échappé to the 3/4 point. You see, this is not what I'm doing. I'm not going to half point, I'm going to the 3/4 point. Okay? We do that 4 times. So we plie, échappé, plie, échappé, plie, échappé, plie, échappé. Now that we have the sensation of sliding, the end point is the point, right? And that's where the majority of people jump into the point instead of sliding, passing through the 3/4 point and then sliding. So now we're gonna go plie, échappé, and then point. Right, so 3/4 and then point. And we do that 8 times so that we really integrate that into our muscle memory. So it's gonna go plie, 3/4 point, plie, 3/4 point, plie, 3/4 point, plie, 3/4 point. 4 more, plie, 3/4 point, plie, 3/4 point, plie, 3/4 point, plie, 3/4 point. As you can see, I'm not at all focusing in coming back from the échappé. This I will share in my next video. For now, I invite you to practice these 2 simple exercises until you have that sensation and you can reproduce it very easily. If you are ready to have amazing leaps of improvement in your technique, in the description below you'll find a link to have a conversation with me. It is a consultation where we talk about your biggest challenges and your goals, and then I share with you a method that will help you get wherever you want to go. This is Dancing with Yamile. I'll see you next week.